Namaste. Welcome to Shahjahanabad, the city of Shah Jahan, also known as Old Delhi, which is known for its old havelis, busy markets, amazing street food, and its culture. Shahjahanabad was designed and built on the basis of Mughal architecture. This place was found more than 300 years ago. We are here to know about a famous and luxurious style of embroidery, Zardozi. Zardozi is derived from two Persian words, zar or zarin, which means gold, and dozi means swing. Zardozi is an elaborate metallic embroidery that is done on different kinds of fabrics like silk, brocade, velvet, or satin. In earlier times, this rich form of embroidery was done with real gold and pure silver wire, along with seed pearls and precious gemstone by the skilled Zardozi workers. It was a luxury reserved for royalty and courtly garments, as well as religious ceremonies. Its origins are still unclear. Some say the gold and silver thread embroidery has existed in India since the ancient time of Rig Veda, between 1500 and 1200 BC. It is also believed that the Zardozi style of embroidery was brought to India in 16th century when Mughals promoted the development of various embroidery styles in India. The first mention of the word Zardozi appears in the biography of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, but during his reign, restrictions were placed on the craft. Zardozi received fresh momentum during the Mughal period and was often depicted in miniature paintings. However, during Aurangzeb's reign, which was marked by the incessant warfare, the use of Zardozi declined in Mughal courts. Ansari is a Muslim community found in India and Pakistan, primarily engaged in occupations related to weaving, dyeing, and tailoring. The Ansari community is known for their expertise in the art of Zardozi embroidery. The community has been practicing this craft for generations, and it has become an important part of their cultural identity and heritage. Many Ansari families have passed down the skills and techniques of Zardozi embroidery from one generation to the next, ensuring that this traditional art form continues to thrive and evolve. In Chandni Chowk, Shahjahanabad, we got to know about an Ansari family. Let's take you to the Ansari family of Shahjahanabad. We started our trip from Chandni Chowk to Jama Masjid and then finally to Turkman Gate. After taking navigation from random people, we reached Pahadi Bhojila Gali, Anshuman Chowk. Here, we met the Ansari family who have been a part of the historical background of cultural history of Zardozi in Shahjahanabad. Let's take you to the Ansari family where we had amazing conversation on Zardozi with Ansari family. Here, we started knowing about their history from Mohammad Wasim Ansari ji.
मेरे फादर फोर जो मुगल से करते थे तो वहाँ काम करते थे। तो ये पूरा ओल्ड दिल्ली है। आपका हो गया ये चूड़ी वालान हो गया, आपका नाम सुना आपने, चतली कबर हो गया। उसके आगे जाओगे पूरी यहाँ पे लोग रहा करते थे पहले, जितने मुगल से है ना, उनके वजीर थे, उनके वजीर सो गए, उनके सेनापति तो वो रहा करते थे, तो वहाँ बना करता था सारा काम। तो तभी से लेके चल रही है हम लोगों की, तभी से बना।
After talking to Mohammad Wasim Ansari ji, we went to Raisa auntie to know more about their lifestyle. They have a large family, but only the older members of the family work on the Zardozi. After speaking with Raisa auntie, we learned about a basic lifestyle, which is truly simple but also very labor intensive. She works for more than 8 hours each day in a kitchen attached to her room where she prepares meal for her husband and herself. Most significantly, the atta frame is also placed in a room where she works.
सुबह से रात तक कहीं जाना नहीं, आना नहीं, बस कहाँ जाए। अपने काम अपने घर में जितने की अल्लाह करवा देता है, मजदूरी कर लेते हैं। वो सिलाई के कपड़े सीती हैं बहू। हाँ, एक बहू का देती है।
ये किचन है ना आपका?
हाँ, ये किचन है। यही कमरा अब नए नहीं बनाते हैं, खराब हो जाता है, अपने यही अंदर इधर सब काम कर लेते हैं।
ये किचन है, यहीं पे काम कर लेती है, यहीं पे
यही खाना पका लिए, यही सब काम हो जाता है।
After speaking with Raisa auntie, we spoke with Mohammad Shafiq Ansari uncle and learned about his culture, daily expenses and source of income.
25 रुपये का जाता है, 25। हमारा इसमें 3 रुपये का प्रॉफिट है, यानी कि हमें लेबर दे के और ये तुरपाई, मगर टोटल करके 3 रुपये का हमें इसमें महीने में मिनिमम जो है हद से हद 5,000 रुपये, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करेगा आदमी कमाएगा। जैसे हम ठेकेदारी करते हैं तो हम उसमें 2-3 हज़ार का इजाफा कर लेते हैं। मतलब यकीन में ना आने वाली बातें हर एक आदमी के, अगर नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है या 4-5 हज़ार में क्या होता है, चूँकि हमारा फजूल खर्च है ही नहीं। ये देखिए कि हमारी पिटारी का खर्च है 300 रुपये महीने का मिनिमम, बस ये हमारा शौक़ है या तलब कह लो। कम से कम फैमिली का खर्चा 600 रुपये का चाहिए, तो कितने होगा सर? 3 और 6 900 हो गए। अगर वो वाकई 1,000 रुपये कमाता है तो सारे शौक़ कर लेगा, वरना हमारे यहाँ है ही नहीं। शराब चीज़ में हमारी बहुत सादगी। अब जैसे हमने कल ईद की नमाज़ पढ़ी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ईद हो गई हमारी। अल्लाह ने जिसको तौफीक दी उसने नए कपड़े बनाए। असल तो ईद हमारे यहाँ औरतों की और बच्चों की होती है। हम तो मजदूर आदमी, अभी हमें काम
200 रुपये बन के 200 रुपये का जोड़ा पहन के हमारी निकल गई।
बस ये है हमारे यहाँ बहुत सादगी है। मैंने बताया ना कि इनकम नहीं है तो हमारे खर्चे भी नहीं है, वैसे ही अल्लाह ने निज़ाम बना
कोई
रखा है।
पार्लर नहीं जाते हमारे यहाँ,
कुछ नहीं।
कभी।
Muhammad Shabir Ansari, the oldest member of the Ansari family, made a Taj Mahal Zardozi craft for a customer. He was originally going to sell the piece, but when he was unable to finish it, his daughter Shajar Ansari finished it and retained it as a memento of her father. This is a tour of their 500 square meter Haveli, which has 3 stories and is organized similarly on all 3, with a courtyard, rooms surrounding it, a kitchen, and there are dars. A first level floor plan is created illustrating how the spaces are divided.